laptop's about to die. Oh, 2%. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, hello, welcome, thank you so much for stopping by. So today's video is going to be my May BoxyCharm Premium unboxing, demo, as well as review from the items in the month prior. So if you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly makeup subscription box. They have 3 different tiers, a base, a premium, and a luxe. The luxe is their seasonal box, and I know the price did increase. I want to say base is $27, premium is $40. I want to say it's $40. If you prepay, you get some sort of a little discount. And then the premium, I want to say, is like $55, maybe $60. I don't know. But since I am just getting the one box this year, I figured it'd be nice just to be able to review the items for the month prior, so that way you get more than just my first initial impression on them. So if you guys are interested in BoxyCharm, I will have my link down below. I do get some BoxyCharm charms to spend in their shop if you do use that link. But otherwise, if you guys are interested in seeing what I got in this month's box and my thoughts on last month's items, then just keep on watching. Alright, so the theme for this month is Super Bloom, and then on the back are all the items in retail value. So first off, we have the Arvani Holistic Skincare Rituals. This is their Restoring Serum with tea tree oil, chamomile flowers, and cucumber extract. So I just used this today. My skin felt nice. It didn't really like irritate my skin or anything, but this retails for $60, and it says this gentle alcohol-free toning serum clarifies your skin, removes toxins, and minimizes the appearance of pores and dark spots while restoring your natural moisture barrier. Formulated with clarifying, calming ingredients like tea tree oil, cucumber extract, chamomile flowers, and witch hazel, made without mineral oil, parabens, sulfates, irritants, synthetic fragrances, or animal cruelty. Alright, so next we have this 3-piece brush set from LaRousse, and I did use all 3 brushes. I didn't realize this one was in here at first because I looked at the thing and it was like a contour brush set, so I thought it was just going to be all like face brushes. I guess you could use this as like a nose contour, but I did end up using it at like the last minute for like my outer corner eyeshadow. And this is their angled shading brush. This is the flat angle. It's definitely an interesting shape. It fits here nicely, so there's that. And then this one says contour blending. I used it to blend out the contour a little bit, but then I did just use it to apply some blush. And these brushes are so soft. I have a couple other LaRousse brushes from BoxyCharm, and I really enjoy them. I love like the spikedness of the handle. It feels so nice. So I'm really excited to get more of these brushes because the other ones I have are really nice, and these as of right now are very soft and very nice, and I'm really enjoying them so far. And then this is the packaging it came in. So the 3-piece brush set retails for $50, so again, pretty pricey here. And this is their contour brush set with Serviced by limited edition pouch, or is it Serviced by E? Because, yeah, there's a space there, but here it's just like one at handle. So, okay. It says LR331 flat angle, LR342 contour blending, and LR117 angled shading are the perfect brush trio for contouring with your favorite formulas. They apply and seamlessly blend contours for the most flawless finish. Alright, next is the KVD Vegan Beauty Lip Gloss in the shade Lolita Flora 20. This is the lip gloss I have on right now, and it is such a comfortable formula. It's got a good amount of pigment to it. This is the color here. Again, you can see it on my lips, and it's got a nice scent to it. It's not very strong and overpowering, but it's got like that, you know, cake batter type like sweet scent to it. It's a nice color. I'm just gonna apply more. This is such a good like rosy nude. It's not too pink at all, which you guys know I do not like, you know, pink lipstick. I feel like I'm gonna wear this a lot just because the formula is so comfortable. It's not a goopy sticky gloss. This retails for $19, and it says don't do gloss, neither did we until now. You know we're all about being bold, high pigment, and high performance, so we're doing gloss our way. XO Lip Gloss has more pigment than other sheer glosses, and you won't find any gritty shimmer here. Its high impact extreme shine will keep you swiping, and it's got KVD's signature creme brulee flavor, and an ultra creamy, comfortable feel that even our vegan friends can indulge in. So then the last product I tried is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Diamond Balm All Over Diamond Veil in How Many Carats. And I did apply highlighter on first because I totally forgot this was in the box. So even though I did initially forget about it, I did end up putting it on at the end before getting on here, and it's my highlighter up here. I didn't put other highlighter here, and I did also put it as an inner corner highlight, and it is so pretty. Like, just look at that shine from that highlight on the inner corner. It is so pretty. It's got like that sheer base to it, and it's like the ColourPop Super Shock formula where it's just kind of like putty-ish. Very excited to have the Fenty highlighter, especially with it being something I've considered purchasing before, but just never bit the bullet on because it's a what is it? It is a $40 highlighter. Never bit the bullet on it, but I would go into the store and like swatch and be like, oh, it's so pretty. Maybe one day. So I'm very happy to have this and that I can play around with it now. But again, this retails for $40, and it says a one-of-a-kind diamond dusted highlighter that applies like a 3D glittering veil, delivering you pure, show-stopping sparkle all over the face and body. I remember the Fenty was a choice item. I think this was the other choice item. I forgot to mention that. I am so bad. So the next two products I haven't tried yet, but this one I will definitely be trying tonight. This is the Elemis Superfood Night Facial Nourishing Sleeping Cream. All right, so this is what it looks like here. This is what it looks like. Ooh, that smells really nice and like fruity and fresh. So this retails for $50. Like, these are all so pricey. Like, the gloss is like the only thing as of right now that's like not ridiculously priced, but okay. Again, $50, a prebiotic overnight sleeping cream that leaves dry, thirsty skin feeling silky soft, radiant, and replenished with moisture upon waking. Infused with superfood, camu camu, banana flower, and cacao nib extract, this vitamin and mineral rich formula nourishes the skin and minimizes visible signs of fatigue. I wish we got this in the colder months, especially if it's supposed to be, you know, super hydrating. I mean, you can always have hydrated skin all year long, but my skin gets so dry in the winter. I wish we got this in the winter time. I'm still gonna give it a go because who doesn't want super hydrated looking, nice, moisturized skin? And then the last item is this Base Blue Night Day Dry and Wet Dual Action Facial Cleansing Wipes. Are there two different things in here? I haven't even, okay, give me a sec. Oh, there are two different things. Okay, so you've got an orange pack, which is your dry Day Beauty Cleansing Wipe. And then this is your wet makeup removing wipe for nighttime. That'll be perfect to keep in my gym bag and, you know, wipe my face after working out. Maybe I'll actually start working out before work. We'll see. So the Base Blue Cosmetics Dry and Wet Dual Action Facial Cleansing Wipes retail for $21. So you get 10 wet, 10 dry. And this was manufactured in April 28th of 2021 and it expires April 27th of 2024. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using these before, you know, 2 years, but I like that it's got the little expiration date on it. Retails for $21. So it says, ready to go towelettes that whisk away face and eye makeup without irritation. The dry beauty wipes foam up once activated with water and gently remove any excess oil and slaw off, I don't know that word, okay. SLOUGH, off dead cells from the skin. So overall for May, my box retails for $240. I think it's an okay box. I definitely don't think it's the best box I've gotten. I could do without the wipes. I mean, again, they're convenient to keep in my gym bag, but I'm super excited. I really love this gloss. Can never go wrong with brushes. Excited to try this. The serum, I mean, as long as it doesn't irritate my skin, I'll get use out of it. And then I'm really excited for the highlighter because it is just so pretty and I've really enjoyed Fenty products. Comparing it to last month and like some other items, it's just not my overall favorite box. It's not the worst box I've gotten, but if you guys would like to see my thoughts on last month's items, then just keep on watching. Alright, so first thing we have is the Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo, and I really love this. I've been using this so much, both the blush and the highlighter. The blush is just the perfect shade for me. It's not too dark, not too light, not too bright. It's just so pretty. The highlighter is what I had underneath the Diamond Balm. I love this so much. The formula is beautiful. I'm obsessed with this. Like, this is gonna be my go-to like summer duo. It's perfect. I love it. The Dr. Brandt eye cream, I really enjoy. It makes my under eyes very nice and hydrated. My concealer blends over it nicely, even if I use foundation as my concealer. It blends over it nicely. I've even been using like a lighter powder foundation as my under eye concealer, and it goes over this super nicely. I can't really speak for the wrinkleness of it because my under eyes are super wrinkly. Like regardless of what I do, it's just I just have under eye wrinkles, so everything creases on my under eyes. I'm not sitting there with a mirror at work all day trying to see like, oh, at 6 hours and 27 minutes it creased more than if I used this under eye cream or whatever. So I have no say for that, but my under eyes feel very nice and hydrated after this. That's all you can ask for, pretty much, right? The Endota Organics Hydrating Lip Balm. It's a nice lip balm. It's nothing special, I don't think. I didn't really use it as like a cuticle thing. I know it said you could, but I just use it as a lip balm, and I think it's nice, but nothing special. The eyeliner I think is actually really nice for being a felt tip eyeliner. I'm used to brush tip eyeliners, or the ones where you have to like screw the cap and dip it. Those kinds of eyeliners. I'm not used to pen eyeliners much. I did my eyeliner with it today. I think it's good. It lasts all day for me. I haven't had any issues with it like fading, smudging, bleeding. So I think it's a nice eyeliner. The iconic London brow soap thing, the Brow Silk. I like it. It's just different because I'm used to the Patrick Ta or the Makeup Revolution one where it really glues down my brows. This one doesn't glue them down to that extent. It still leaves them like soft and like it says silk. So it still keeps them like shiny and everything. It doesn't fully dry down where it's like glued to my face. I can still get, the fluffy brow effect with it, but it's a soft hold where those ones are a like super glued to your face hold. I like it. It's just a little bit different than what I was expecting. But like you can see, I've had it in my brows for a bit now, and I can still play around with it and move it, where if I use the Makeup Revolution or the Patrick Ta, once it sets, it sets. I can't really move my brows without it just being all awkward and weird. I don't know how I feel about this. I ended up going in just with like my regular brow brush and spoolie and just using the spoolie side. This is nice to like kind of initially apply it through, but I like using the regular, brow spoolie to really shape my brows. I don't know. I think my brows look nice. They last all day, so that's all I could ask for. Then the Michelin Peach English Flowers English Leaf Body Oil. The only thing about this is it is so messy. I go to pour a little bit and I can always over apply because it just keeps pouring out. I wish it was like a little like pump or just like something would have a little like dropper thing here. Is that what it's called? Like the little like plastic thing with a hole, and I could just go like this and drop little bits at a time, because I'd pour it and then I go to, bring it back up, and then it just runs down the side of the bottle. So then I'm applying the oil on my skin, rubbing my hands on the bottle to get it off the bottle and applying the rest to my skin. So I don't love the packaging of it, but it's very nice and hydrating. It's on my skin right now, like my arms and my legs, and my skin feels very, very nice. It's got that little bit of the glow to it from the oil, so I like the product. I just don't like the bottle. If I had to pick between last month and this month, I was definitely more excited about the items from last month, but let me know what you guys think. Do you think this month was better than last month, or vice versa? And if you guys get BoxyCharm, let me know what you guys got in your box, especially if you get premium. What different items did you get compared to me? If you get base, what did you get? Even though I don't think I'm gonna get base and pay for 2 boxes, I'm still curious on what you guys got. So yeah, that is it for my May BoxyCharm Premium unboxing and April box review. Let me know what you guys think of everything down below, what you guys got in your box, what your favorite item was, what your least favorite item was. If you've tried any of these items, let me know what you think. And yeah, if you guys liked the video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the little bell notifications so you guys know every single time that I upload. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.